In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious white chocolate brownies with peanuts recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 7 ounces of white chocolate chips, half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of butter, 3/4 cup of peanuts, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and 2.5 cups of sifted flour. In a bowl, add in the butter and the peanut butter, and we are going to melt this in the microwave until completely melted. While hot, we're going to add in the white chocolate chips and mix until they are completely melted. Add in the sugar, vanilla sugar, and the eggs and mix until completely combined. Once combined and the sugar is dissolved, we're going to slowly add in the flour and use a spatula to fold in. We're going to pour this batter into a parchment paper lined cake pan. We're going to sprinkle the top of the batter with the peanuts. We're going to bake this in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Our white chocolate brownies with peanuts are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!